Well, that was some practical street fighting advice, but let's face it, I'm not really a bruiser. I'd prefer to make peace at all costs. However, Bruce Lee himself did say, "My style of fighting is no fighting." I think what he meant is avoid it at all costs. If you have to fight, do the minimal. But I have a different interpretation of my style of fighting is no fighting. And I'll show you what it is right now. Just down the road is another studio. This one dedicated to the art of fighting without fighting. Do you see what I mean? Hong Kong is ground zero for the action star. Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, Chow Yun-fat. Around every star are these guys, making them look good. Now, can they make me look good? The guys put me through the paces. First, how to attack.
The most basic way is to go through from stacking, where it's just like when my hands is right in front of his face and he does the reaction. That's the really simple way, boom, to sell a hit. A different way.
So you're about, well, like this far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we try to keep as close as possible, but also a safe distance. So just maybe like a few inches away would be enough.
Now, how to take a hit and look convincing.
Yeah, we try to use the soft part of your forearm to make contact with another flat surface of your hand. So when you block, it doesn't hurt contact.
Right, you're not curving as much.
Exactly.
Right?
And then there's also like kicking and punching where you actually touch. So, and then he does the reaction. So if I'm actually hitting it in deep, then he'll be taking it really heavy. So, but just like you have to like think about stopping your hand just before. So it's like boom. So it's just touching. It's almost like hey, but look at this.
Yeah.
Three.
It's really interesting seeing this broken down in a movie. These guys are so flawless that you never really consider that these are stuntmen. It just seems like you're sold on the action. And now when you look at it carefully, you can see that there is this brief moment where they're protecting themselves, still at great risk, before they sell the action. That, yeah, I've just been blown up by a bomb or kicked down by a massive spinning kick. It really is a very nuanced and risky art form. Overall, it was a good sesh with a bunch of fun-loving guys. True artists who are the backbone of any good action scene. I'd love to keep monkeying around in the gym, but I've made some appointments to a new set of places. A little glimpse into the high life, where the best of everything is bought and sold.